This is the easiest way to accomplish task Oscar 0214. And on this, your evaluation will be that you draw a line from a point along the correct azimuth, plus or minus 2 degrees, and you do this within 2 minutes. You start by looking at your compass, and here I've set the compass up with the azimuth ring pointing north. And what I want you to notice here is within the azimuth, you have these lines right here, and they point north and south. Now notice what happens when I turn the azimuth ring. That grid line moves with the azimuth ring. This is how you're going. This is the easiest way for you to plot an azimuth on a map. For this exercise, I've taken this blow up of a sectional chart because I don't want to mark up my actual charts because they're expensive. And we're starting from this point right on the where Old Falmouth Road meets Round Pond. I put that big red dot, and we want to plot a 5 degree azimuth from that point. In this case, because we're working with a map, all of our directions are going to be true readings, not north. Here's the really easy way to do this, is you take your azimuth ring and you dial it to the desired azimuth, in this case, 0.55 degrees. And so you see that's 5.4, there we go, 5.5 degrees. And then I take my compass, and you see this line here, this is the line of longitude. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my compass and I'm gonna line my azimuth grid with that longitude, remembering that I've dialed in the desired azimuth on the ring, 5.5 degrees. When I do that, I position the compass like this. So bingo, there, it's lined up right. Here, I have the edge of the compass at my starting point, and I'm going to draw my line, it's a little hard with one hand, along the straight edge that I've just created. I don't want to touch, this is a permanent marker, so I don't want to touch and color my my compass. But there I've done it. So if I was at this point and told to move in 55 degrees true from that point, I'd basically be following Falmouth Road for a little while until we got to that point. That is how you draw an azimuth on a map. The other way you can do it is you can use one of these protractors. You probably have one, and I like this one with the string. See this string here? What this string does for me is if I am taking azimuth readings or bearings in the field far, far away, I can place this, the center of this protractor on my position, and I can draw the string very far out, and I can get an azimuth reading by where the string crosses the scale. The advantage of this kind of a instrument is you have more lines. All of these grid lines are properly positioned with true north, and I have horizontal lines on a protractor, and that makes it a little bit easier to find a line on the map that I can true up my instrument with. So for example, if I'm using my compass, I only have north-south lines, but maybe I want to align it with this line of latitude. And with a protractor, that's very easy to do. So remember, our starting point is where Round Pond touches Old Falmouth Road, and it's a little hard to see because I do have that string there, but here the center is right on my starting point now, and I'm going to turn it so that these east-west grids line up with the line of latitude on the map, and I have it bingo, there. And again, I then go out to 0.5, to 55 degrees, and I'm going to be careful because again, I don't want to use permanent marker on my protractor. So I do a dot here. I know my starting point was here. Then I get a straight edge. Let's just use this piece of paper as our straight edge. And I connect those two dots. Boop, 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 boop. There it is. And bingo, there's my 55-degree azimuth using a different method.